So this projector is testing online and it has a black spot. It was be found. So right now testing in here as the engineer for repacks during the online. So he will open it and see where it has the black spot. Open the white page. So we will look very carefully. Like other factories, the standard is, and right now on the page you cannot see any black spot on it. You see? Nope. And then he will cover it. And then check again. Make sure there has no black spot on the screen. So this fix is finished. So this area we were testing the function. All the model is fully finished.